Congress President Shri Mallikarjun Kharge is now 80 years old, and God can just take him away any time. BJP leaders' hatred for the tallest scheduled caste leader in recent history of Karnataka. BJP leaders' hatred at the instance of Prime Minister Modi to abuse the tallest son of soil of Karnataka, who after having been born in a labourer family has risen from the ranks of a bloc president to be the president of Indian National Congress, is disgusting, is filthy, is nauseating, and is unacceptable and reprehensible. People of Karnataka, perhaps Modi ji does not know, across party lines, call the Congress President Shri Mallikarjun Kharge as, and please correct my Kannada, for I am still in the learning process, Dinesh ji, as Solilada Sardara, a warrior who knows no defeat, and they are wishing death for Shri Mallikarjun Kharge. We take strong objection to the fact, Mr. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that just because you hate Mallikarjun Kharge ji, just because Basavaraj Bommai ji is said to be defeated to below 40 seats, just because you have lost the narrative, just because people of Karnataka have rejected you, just because you cannot find an answer to 40% commission, just because Prime Minister and BJP have lost the plot, just because they have no answer to the job scam, you wish death to Shri Mallikarjun Kharge? Is that the low level of politics that BJP is going to stoop to now? That they unleash their MLAs, they unleash the BJP General Secretaries to wish death for Shri Mallikarjun Kharge? We want to ask Prime Minister Modi, Modi ji, you are here in Karnataka today, and your MLA and General Secretary are wishing death for Shri Mallikarjun Kharge. Why are you silent? Why are you not taking action against BJP General Secretary and BJP MLA who is now wishing death for Shri Mallikarjun Kharge?